In this lesson video, we will cover external cell references. Until now, we have discussed various types of cell references. However, they are still internal references, meaning they only target cells in the same worksheet. In Excel, we can also use external references. There are two types of external references. The first one targets data in another worksheet but still in the same workbook. The second one targets data that is in another workbook or another Excel file. In this lesson, we will focus on the first type of external reference, and in the next lesson, we will cover the second type of external reference. For this lesson, I have prepared a file called Year 2021. To reference other worksheets but still in the same workbook, we must use this format. First, we need to type in the name of the worksheet that we want to target, then an exclamation symbol, then a cell reference code. In this case, you can write various types of cell references that we discussed earlier, whether it be a single cell, cell range, column, column range, row, and so on. You can freely use all these types of references. Sometimes, the name of the worksheet that you want to target contains spaces and/or non-letter characters such as minus symbols and so on. For these worksheets, it is not enough if you just use an exclamation symbol to target the worksheet name. You must also enclose the worksheet name within single quotes. After the closing quote symbol, then you can type in the exclamation symbol. Again, you don't need to add these single quotes if the name of the worksheet does not contain any spaces or special characters. Now, even though it looks difficult, in practice, it is easy because you don't actually need to type all this code manually. You can just use your mouse and let Excel type the code for you. For example, in the Year 2021 file, there are three worksheets: Report 2021, Summary, and Growth. Let's say that we are commissioned to calculate the total income, cost, and profit from the data in the Report 2021 worksheet. But we have to write the results in the Summary worksheet. We are also assigned to calculate the monthly average value here. We have covered the sum and average functions before, but they are still on the same worksheet. Now we will use these functions using external cell references. So, select cell B2, then use the shortcut Alt equal. With this, Excel will add the sum function for us. Now, at this condition, while the cell reference is still selected like this, to reference cells in another worksheet, just click on the worksheet name below. Then click or click drag to create the cell reference. We can see above, the cell reference code has been created for us using the external format. Now, in this condition, remember, don't click on another cell or worksheet because that will change the cell reference code. For example, if we click on the Growth worksheet, the address changes and now refers to the Growth worksheet. So again, make sure you are on the correct worksheet and the cell selection is also correct. After that, just press Enter to confirm. And we have a result like this. We can see that this cell uses the sum function which refers to the Report 2021 worksheet. Next, what about these two cells? Because both need to use the same sum function, and also the above cell uses relative type cell reference, you just need to duplicate the formula above to the two cells below. You can use the copy-paste method or the autofill method. But there is one duplication technique that we haven't discussed before called the quick autofill. Essentially, we use the autofill method, but instead of clicking and dragging, you can just double-click on the autofill square. As we can see, Excel intelligently duplicates the formula until the lowest row. Excel does not duplicate the formula to this row and beyond, because it detects the cells to the right and left are blank. And we can see that the formula created by Excel is already correct. To calculate the average values, the workflow is basically the same. We can click on this C2 cell, type in the equal symbol, then type AVE. Use the down arrow key to select the average function, then press Tab. Then select the Report 2021 worksheet. Click drag to select the cells from B2 to M2. Then press Enter. After we have one formula that works, select the cell, then double-click on this autofill square to do a quick autofill. So that is how we can reference external cells that are on another worksheet but still in the same workbook.